Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You. If you're new here on this channel, I show you every single day how to draw something, and it would be great if you could press that subscribe button and stick around. So everybody, I'm going to show you today how to draw Skulduggery from Skulduggery Pleasant. So this was actually a request from this wonderful person right here. If there's anything that you would like to learn how to draw, let me know in the comments below. All right, so I'm gonna start drawing with the brim of the hat. So I'm sketching the brim of the hat here. Now it's kind of a curved line. It's not a straight one. Like that. And I can kind of come in a little bit on the sides. And here in the middle, I can do another curved line. And then let's come up a bit on both sides. A little bit more. And we can do the top of the hat. And we've got like a band going across the hat here. Okay. So next I'm going to do, we're gonna find the middle of the hat. So about like right here, underneath the middle of the hat, I'm going to do a little itty bitty line and then slanting down on both sides to meet that little itty bitty line. And we're gonna do same over here. So we can do our best to kind of make them match up, but they don't have to be perfect. All right, so now over here we can see where the hat has its sides. So that would be where the head would be inside it. So kind of coming down from there, we can start to do the shape of the face. So I'm coming down a little bit on both sides, kind of matching it up with where that would be. Because it wouldn't make much sense if we started doing the sides of the face, say like right here from the brim of the hat. So we had to find where the actual head would be in the hat. Okay, so we know the face is coming down right here. I'm gonna do an eye. So we can do a bit right here. I'm coming down. We can color this in all dark. I'm just gonna kind of lightly sketch it in dark for now, and I can go back later and color it in darker. So over here, same thing. And they don't have to be perfect twins. But if you want to try to match them up and have them like as closely, try to make them as closely similar as you can, then that's fine too. But they don't have to be perfect. All right, and here in the middle, well, actually, I'm gonna do a couple little lines like this first, kind of. Okay, and now here in the middle, we're gonna do the nose. So we can come on down, slanting down, and then we can come up, down again, okay, like that. And color that in all dark. And so here on the sides, under the eye, we're coming in a bit, going down. Here, same thing. And right here, we're gonna start doing some teeth. So I'm gonna do some like little upside down U's. Like that. And I'm not drawing them straight across. I'm kind of slightly curving. You can see we got some itty bitty curve. And do a kind of itty bitty curve in this way. All right, so now coming from these upside down U's, we can do some teeth. And they can be different sizes. Here on the sides, we're going to do some canine teeth, so they're going to be kind of pointy. And the other ones can go in. Just kind of following along in that curve we got going on here. All right, and now we can do some bottom teeth too. But I'm going to do some regular shaped U's, not upside down ones. And they'll follow that same curve going in the side of the face. Okay, and then from there we can bring up some teeth to meet those top teeth. So we can keep doing some teeth going along this way and this way, like that. Now let's see, we can do the bottom of the face and then slanting upward a bit, and then a line here. Now right here we're going to do a little shape like this, and we can do this part in all dark like that. And let's try to match it up over here too. So bringing that face shape downward and doing that little slanted line there. And we can come on in and down and color that in all black, like that. And let's see, I'm going to do some little lines coming down here from the teeth. And a few coming upward. When I'm coloring this in, I'm going to be sure to use like some gray to help add some shading. Okay, so now I'm going to do a curve like this, and I can color that in all dark as well. And we can do like an upside down V here. And then a curve to meet up with that point, and same thing on the other side. So this is like the collar of the shirt. And then we got a tie. So this is the front part of it. And then we can come down a bit more. And now we can bring this down, this line, and this one too. And right here, we got like a little slope, a little hill. We can do the same on this side. And we can come on down, come on inward, go out, and come down again. And we're going to do the same over here. So in, out, down. And we can keep going with a line over here. All right, so we're done our sketch, and now I'm going to get coloring. All right, everyone, we are finished our drawing. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and I hope you had a fun time drawing with me today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for whatever we draw tomorrow. All right, everyone, goodbye.